Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to join Chrome encoding. Open Chrome and use DevTools to inspect network requests and media segments, then locate the encoding parameters you need. I will walk you through choosing the correct tool, extracting segment files, and verifying bitrates and codecs so you avoid mismatches. Follow step by step and pause as needed while you test the joined output for smooth playback on multiple devices. First, capture and download all media segments and the initialization file from the network panel in Chrome. Use clear file names and place everything in one folder so your joiner can work without confusion. Confirm the codec, sampling rate, and bitrate match across segments to prevent errors, and rename files in numeric order so merging tools process them sequentially and reliably for a single continuous media file. Next, select a joining method compatible with your codec, like FFmpeg for broad support or a GUI app for simplicity. Prepare a text list or pattern so the tool knows the order, then run the join command or operation and monitor for errors. After merging, inspect the resulting file for continuity, correct timestamps, and consistent audio levels, and re-encode only if necessary to maintain the original quality and playback behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.